Made $1,628 and I secured a $2,000 payout for this account. Just decided to take trade for it. Didn't need to make 200 or any profit. Didn't need to risk it. So this should get approved very fast. And yeah, so the trades I took today were very precise, very accurate, and I really like the executions I took today. So basically, my understanding of the delivery today was, so I woke up pretty early, like always, around like 5:30 to 6 a.m. And you just kind of want to mark out your lows and just see how far it can retrace lower. And then once you see it live in action on where it's going to open and close, that's where you enter. So you basically have to react. And during real time, it's a lot harder for sure. But once you start understanding and seeing it multiple times a day, you can do what I do. Like I'm doing 4 or 5 trades a day minimum and winning every day. So there's a lot of plays, and I can obviously keep doing more, but uh, there's no point for now. So yeah, basically the delivery was just to see this 530 low that was created for it zoomed up way higher. So you got to understand this is an important uh, zone for it to react off. This as well. This as well. So you kind of want to see how it delivers. So you kind of see how it kind of just starts repricing lower, and then you kind of see on the closings where it's delivering to. So then once you want to see it flip, you want to see the closings flip the other way if you're going for longs like I am. So once you understand that, you can easily find plays. So then I trailed, I tried to get around like 20 points for this, and I got trailed out, which was a pretty good trail. So it was around like 17 points. And then for my next play, I wish I didn't trail so early and I kind of let it hit full TP for 50 points that I was targeting. I was trying to get around like 68.50. So it would have delivered, but I would have probably faced a little drawdown and then the real delivery happened. So this right here was basically the same thing off this that my last trade I took. Kind of understanding where the openings and closing are and understanding what a fake out is. And if you know how to spot these, like basically it's like you see these highs that happened, then it delivers lower, creating an intermediate low. Now what the next target is to take out these internal highs. And then if you pay attention to the closings when they're not strong enough, what does it do again? It does it again. Reprice lower. So now what do I want to see it do? I want to see it go back up. So in real time, you see it. This is what happens. Boom. So now you want to see, is it going to start closing back up above? Start repricing higher. As soon as you've seen that, the next candle, you want to see it confirmed and enter. Yeah, so for this play was really good. Like this was as perfect as it gets, and I wish I held it more as well, but I didn't need to. I didn't need to. The max I could have made was 600 because I'm just going for 2K per payout, so I didn't want to go over right now. So this whole thing was just waiting for the structure to come to me to basically flip from this sell side delivery. So as we've seen here, price went up, 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 but now the whole state of delivery change as it's repricing lower and taking out any low that it's made. So now you want to see, is it time to flip? And right here was the first hint that it was going to flip. So you kind of see it attempting to go back up and then try to attempt for one more sweep. And then you check out the openings and closings. You see how if we were going lower, it would just keep closing the next few candles lower. So now it's changing. So as soon as I seen that, boom. Already like these and these were guaranteed get taken out. And if it's really bullish, it's supposed to take out everything. So My targets were very good, and I made sure I entered on the low of the structure, which was really solid. So 1 minute, $400. So that was pretty good. And then I'll show you guys the trade I did to pass the eval. This was the play. I decided to get 10 lots because the session was moving really slow and the low was in basically for the day or for the session that I was in last night. And I just wanted to enter for a sweep of this buy side right here. And as soon as I seen the confirmation that we were repricing higher, I entered and price hit instantly, which was really solid. It kept going. So this was a really solid play, and I could have even sized down to 5 lots and place would have still hit, but executions were very good today, and I just want to keep this consistency up. Hopefully, you guys learned a thing or two um, from these executions, and you guys learn because like this is how I trade every day, and I will never stop, and I'll always follow this model. I will never try to find something else or look for something else because this is proven to basically work like always when price starts delivering the way it does. So hopefully you guys keep trading safe, you guys keep being precise, and I'll see you guys next time.